all the kitchens of the world. Island style kitchen is the best because them do the food them well. Oh, Terrence! You see island style, them food come first.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Island Style Kitchen. We're there, we know some of the mystery, and we are going on another edition of the bush pot cooking today. Yeah man, today me and Biggs Huntsman there, you know. Yeah, so today we are going to cook some chickpeas rundown and some ground provision. So it's going to be a vegan meal today. No meat tonight, lone vegan food. Alright, so just stay tuned and go and enjoy the video. And yeah man, Biggs, I'm going to go to something special today, you know. So just look out in the video and I'm going to see what I go on for Island Style Kitchen. So just stay tuned. Come on over here, so. Yeah man, Huntsman there go and prepare some fire stick. Huntsman, how would you chop up our fire stick here? What are you doing? A fire stick, I wood?
No wood, fire stick.
Alright, boss.
Fire stick.
No, so Biggs are going to catch up the fire there. Yeah. Thing then kind of wet, but nah, give up, you know. Alright, people, see it here, the fire catch up. So right now, we're gonna make the dumpling them peel the ground food them and juice the coconut. Alright, so you just stay tuned and watch what I go on for Island Style Kitchen. Alright, so peeps, right now, we're gonna make the dumpling them and Biggs are going to peel the food, Hans are going to grate the coconut. Hans right now, you want to store it. Hans, so you say a TV store going on?
Trouble.
Tell me about the TV store, Hans. Why you about the TV store?
Trouble. Let that alone.
No, I will tell you about the TV store, Hans.
Let that alone, brother.
How much have you for TV, Hans?
Let that alone.
How much time you watch the TV you buy?
Never watch it yet, you know.
You don't watch it?
No, sir.
So you get back the money for your TV?
No, sir.
So how much can you have your TV?
Aye. Such man I watch it.
Such man I watch the TV, I know.
Yeah.
Why that rough, brother? I'm not ready for a serious joke.
I'm not saying rough, you know, but can't do it.
Not ready for a serious joke at all.
Man, you know why, you know?
You say otherwise.
You know why?
So would you make that investment again?
If you just hold on a little bit more.
If she do what?
Hold on a little bit more,
What would happen there?
then I get more things.
So you think about after the TV?
One nice couch, sit down and watch it.
Yeah? It sound like you love that woman to do hands.
Love?
Yeah.
Brother.
How? So if you invest in the kind of money in that woman, you don't love money.
I just like you like them.
You just like her?
I help them out, you know?
Yeah? So she didn't help you out too?
Let that alone.
You think?
Fire love, yeah?
You say you want to find love? So people hear that, Biggs say want to find love. So any girl, the single, I want a good man, Biggs there. No, the water boil up and you drop in the dumpling them. And so you want Wi-Fi for you? I want you want check for Jamaica?
Yeah, you have to check one in the
Stop watch you man.
What I watch? I check one.
Biggs, you watch you man?
No one go. check one different for watch, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
So check for the very watch. Eh? So you check for?
Everything alright.
Say alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's something I don't want to know.
Yes, sir. Yeah, so that sounds so big.
I don't want to know.
So you don't want to know?
Yeah.
I'm going to believe any of it. What I have to prepare go and skill it. Yes, people, so I'm putting in dumpling and I pot right now and then I'm going to juice the coconut and put it on boil down. And you start the rundown. So we are putting the ground food them now. So Biggs are dealing there. Biggs, what are you putting right now?
Cassava and plant.
I'm putting the cassava and planting.
Yeah, man.
So why are you putting the cassava and planting and pumpkin now going yet?
Because they were firm. Pumpkin needs to be mashed out.
So the pumpkin is to mash out?
Pumpkin and Irish and sweet potato, they mash out very easily.
Oh.
So putting firm and food, man, going to head start.
No. So we have the coconut milk going in the pot, yeah? I put in the coconut milk. Coconut milk nice and rich. Right now about 3 coconut with just juice. Nice and rich coconut milk. So I make this boil down and then we add in with seasoning and with chickpeas and split peas, you know. Ital, you said today? Yeah man. This is a vegan recipe today, you know. No meat, not for Babylon in our pot. Babylon poor. Yes, Huntsman. So what are you doing now, Huntsman?
I put some stick on a fire, you know.
Yeah? What that do?
Turn up the stove, turn it up.
Yeah, turn up the fire?
Yeah.
Alright people. So if you don't know if you turn up, what kind of fire answer? Stick fire or wood fire?
Stick fire.
Fire, my boss.
That's what he said, you know.
Yes, people, see it, yeah? Pumpkin and sweet potato are going to pot now. Alright, people, so the coconut milk there right now. Start boil up now. Yeah, man, see the nice custard on the top. So we're going to make this cook until it dry down completely. Till you almost see oil in the pot. Then we're going to season it and put in our chickpeas and our split peas. Alright, so just stay tuned and watch what go on in an island style kitchen. Over here, these are the seasoning that we're going to use for the rundown today. We have some chili pepper here. We have 2 Scotch bonnet pepper. We have garlic. We have pimento. We have thyme, scallion, onion, and we have some bell pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare these seasoning for the rundown. The pot can't nice without the coconut milk. So I have some coconut milk. I go and boil up on the fire. Yeah, man, island style kitchen at them. Real bush pot cooking, you know. Yaxter telling you, know, say I sent me on my ground. Remember, Yaxter Cavani said that. Big up yourself, Yaxter. Yeah, man, I'm big up on yourself. All of us support Island Style Kitchen. We really appreciate your support. Yeah, man, wish we could have gone to some more bush pot video, but don't know. People have to balance out their life with the farm and work. So, we just stay tuned and be ready. So, we're going to more bush pot video. Yeah, man, people, so see the seasoning there, then done cut up. Scallion, thyme, garlic, pepper, onion, sweet pepper, hot pepper, chili pepper, all kind of pepper in our pot. Right? Alright, people, so right now, the rundown ready for the seasoning, you know. The coconut juice cooked down and it's ready for the seasoning going, so I'm going to season up the pot. Yeah, man. Alright, Diggs, come in and show the people what going on now. The rundown. Show them.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. See there? You cook right down to oil and custard, so we're going to season up this now. So I put in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of turmeric. I put in this. Alright, now I'm going in now with some pepper, with some chili pepper, and some Scotch bonnet pepper, and some garlic, and thyme. I put in some of the thyme right now. Alright, you know what? I'm just put in all of the pepper and here, people. The pot nice and spicy. Yeah? Going with some onion. Alright, so I'm going with some scallion. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave some of these pepper and onion to throw on it at the end so we can eat these. I want them to be nice and crunchy. So we're just going to use these for seasoning and then we're going to have the rest to eat. Island style kitchen way, you know. Yeah, man. Chickpeas run now we are cook. It's a vegan meal. All organic and natural. Alright, people. So right now I'm going to put in the meat in our pot. What kind of meat? Our meat I go. Go Babylon. See it here? Chickpeas, people. Look on the good. See there? Chickpeas. Now I'm run down. Now I use a saltfish. And we now use no salt mackerel this week. Chickpeas in our stew. Yeah, man. See it there? And we are putting some split peas in it too. You know, it's an island style. And from the island style boss, they are cookie can't spoil. Right now, I'm going with some split peas, you know. See it here? Split peas. So we have chickpeas and split peas in our rundown. Alright, people. So we have a season of the butter now. One thing I put in it is a pinch of salt. Alright, so I put like a black pepper on it. It's a little bit, not too much. I'm going to throw on some more coconut milk on it. Ants, you got a coconut milk come. Blaze ants. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to throw some more coconut milk on here. And then I'm going to put in the rest of the vegetables in there. I make the pot simmer down. Alright, so we're throwing some more pepper and onion and pimento. Yeah, man, island style kitchen way. Island style can't spoil. Yes, people, see that pretty? See all of them colors there? Yeah, man. Taste the pot and so I go and feed. Why? Pot tastes good, people. What should we could have tasted this right now? One thing missing is a plate missing. Alright, so I make this simmer down for another 5 to 10 minutes and then we turn off here and share the food. I show you what going in the Island Style Kitchen. So stay tuned. Alright, viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. See it, yeah? The chickpeas rundown, showing some okra in it. Over here, so we have some ground food. This is the cassava and plantain. And we have a pumpkin, sweet potato and dumpling around here, so. Yeah man, Island Style Kitchen way now. The only place I find them food there now. Island Style Kitchen. Yes, and delicious. Here we have Nevan, the best baker in Turks and Caicos Islands, who happens to be my business partner, and she's here always watching me on Island Style Kitchen on YouTube, and she's finally here to try Island Style Kitchen food.
This is delicious. I am having pumpkin with rundown, with rundown chickpeas, cornmeal dumpling, cassava, and avocado. It's delicious, guys. You have to try Island Style Kitchen. And don't forget, Rachel's pastries as well. Later.
Hey, Hansman, what you deal with?
Why? As you can see, no, the Island Style Kitchen, go and match up some real food, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Some stew.
Alright, see it there? Rundown.
Yeah, man.
With chickpeas.
Chickpeas rundown. If you don't know this taste.
Which one of food I serve?
Island Style Kitchen.
Alright,
Only.
Only. Exclusive.
Yeah man, subscribe to Island Style Kitchen. 500 views. This is not put up. Reach 1,000, something incredible. Alright?
So we reach 500 subscribers now, 600, and this year I go mash up right now.
We reach 1,000, something incredible.
Yes, when we reach 1,000.
This is very incredible.
You're sure of a patch?
Yeah, alright.
Alright, so how long it will take you to mash up this?
Maybe 20 minutes.
20 minutes and knock you off.
Yeah man, I'm gonna sleep.
I'm gonna sleep. Alright, sir. So Lady Claudette around here, so I go and feed her face.
Island Style Kitchen. Boy, I didn't wait for the invitation today and I smell the food from across the fence. I decided to rope in a man. I am so blessed. Look at this. Island Style Kitchen.
Vegan brethren pass through. No, I'm not a vegan, yawa. You're a pescatarian. And tell the people what pescatarian eats.
Scales and gills.
Scales and gills?
Yeah. No tongue, no lobster, no oyster, no crab, no shrimp. Anything outside here, I have scales and gills.
Okay.
And then boy, I say sea creature, you just say scales and gills.
Okay, sir. Yeah, go and eat some vegan food now.
No, say not too bad, Patrick.
You're not too bad? You can go on?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
I got teach the curry recipe, but I got drop it in a wrap.
Alright, my boss. That's enough. So my virgin Patrick there forward in Island Style Kitchen for the first time. You always see it on YouTube.
Real.
And in there I go and eat my food. Where I tell the people I say now, bossy?
Good.
Island Style Kitchen.
Full.
Your mouth full, can't talk. Alright, so enjoy your food. Jim, where you going with you now?
Chop the one dumpling here.
Charge.
Vegetable cut straight from the farm.
That's my beef.
Yeah? Rastaman where? Alright, my boss.
Yeah, Jamaica got carrots.
You can't Jamaica come foreign.
Yeah, man.
Alright, sir. Alright, everybody, as you can see, everybody eat and enjoy themselves. Rundown chickpeas still after them. Yeah, man, only can be found at Island Style Kitchen. Yes, and thank you guys very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video, share it out to your family members and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. And stay tuned for the next episode of Island Style Kitchen. One love, peace out, and stay safe. Island Style Kitchen.